Hello guys, my name is Balakrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video we write Java code solution for question 6 of ICSE 2025 Computer Applications Boards paper, which is this question. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, and I've posted plenty ICSE content, but I still see the number of subscribers out of my audience are less than 5%. So please, it is a gentle request to please subscribe to my channel. So this is the question. Take a minute and give this a reading. So you have to search for a given character input by the user using the binary search technique, and you have to define a class to initialize the following data in the array. Now what we have learned is that binary search works on a sorted array, right? And we usually work with integers. In this case, this array is sorted as well because these are sorted in ASCII values. So ASCII values of uppercase letters is lower than ASCII value of lowercase letters, and these are sorted alphabetically for uppercase and lowercase. That is, all uppercase letters come first, are sorted alphabetically, and then come all the lowercase letters. Okay, so if you consider the ASCII values, ASCII value of uppercase A is 65, and then ASCII values of all these uppercase letters are in increasing order. And ASCII value for lowercase a is 97, so for B it is 98, for C it is 99, for D it is 100. So if you consider the ASCII values of characters of this entire array, these are in sorted order, and so binary search is gonna work. Okay, so you just have to apply the same technique as you would for integers. It's just that in this case we are comparing characters. And I've told this before multiple times in my previous videos that when you compare characters, you actually compare their ASCII values. Okay, so you have to define a class to put this all together. So I'm going to say define class question 6, because this is answer to question 6. You can name the class anything that you want. What do I need? I need as my data is I need this array. So I'll say private char ARR. Okay, and I will initialize this array in the constructor, and I will also need a data member to store the character input by the user, alright, which I need to search. So I'll say public question 6, the constructor. Okay, I'm gonna say ARR is equal to new char. How many characters do we have? 3, 36, 39 to 11 characters. You can do this, and then you can do ARR 0 is A, and then ARR 1 is H. Okay, and so on. Okay, so you can create an array of size 11 of type char and set individual locations, location 0 to A, location 1 to H, index 2 to N, and so on for all the remaining characters. Or you can do something like this. Okay, you can say ARR equal to new char and initialize it with the values. Okay, then we need method to accept input character from the user. So I'll say public void accept. Okay, create a scanner object and accept. Then search for this character ch, or search for character ch using binary search. For this we need another method, public int binary search. Okay, all right, and then finally display if the character was found or not. Okay, public void display. Again, dividing the task that this class is supposed to do in 3 functions. Okay, so first I need a scanner object. So I'll say scanner equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, then input a character. So I'll say ch is scanner dot next dot caret 0. Okay, because there is no separate method in the scanner class to read a single character from user input. In order to read a single character, what we do is we read a word using next, and then we extract the first character from this word, which essentially means that we are reading a character from the user input. Okay, then we do this binary search. So the return type is int because the return value will be a valid index if this character ch is found in this array, alright, or it will be -1 if the character is not found. Okay, so I take int low is 0, int high is arr.length -1. I'll say while low is less than equal to high, I'll say int mid is low plus high minus low by 2. Alright, if ARR of mid is equal to the character that we are searching for, I'll return the index mid. Else if the character that we are searching for is greater than the middle one, okay, and this is gonna work because these two are both characters, and when you compare characters, you compare ASCII values, and the characters in our array are sorted by ASCII values, so binary search is gonna work. Okay, so if CS is greater than mid, we have to search in the second half, so low is mid plus 1. Else, okay, we have to search in the first half, so high is mid minus 1. Sorry, left half, not first half. This is searching in the second half, which is the right half. This is searching in the left half. Okay, else we return minus 1 at the end if this loop terminates. Okay, all right, and then finally display. So if binary search is greater than equal to 0 returns a valid index, we say sys out search successful. Okay, else we say search is not successful. Okay, as the requirement is. All right, and this is the class design that you need. Question 6. Okay, so you are not supposed to create an object and call methods, but I'm going to do it just to test this. Okay, so I did not print a prawn message. Okay, so I'll say uppercase A, search successful because A is there. Then I say B, uppercase B is not there, search is not successful. Then uppercase C is also not there. Okay, then I'll say H is successful. Then I'll say uppercase N is successful. Then I'll say P, successful. Then I'll say Q, not successful. Then I'll say S, successful. Then I'll say U, successful. Then I'll say W, successful. Then I'll say Y, successful. Then I'll say Z, successful. Then I have B and D, so lowercase a will not work, lowercase c will also not work, lowercase b is going to be fine, lowercase d is going to be fine, and lowercase e is not going to be fine, question mark is not going to work. Okay, so this code is correct. All right, so this is your solution to question 6, and I hope this was helpful. So if there is any doubt, there is a part you do not understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments. And you can also let me know in the comments if there is a question you want me to solve, or if there is a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.